right now we are in Shibukawa, the belly button of Japan.
Yes, that's quite the belly button. Shibukawa Hesumatsuri cancelled a few years because of the fucking virus. It's finally back, which is awesome. Why am I not participating in it? Because I did fucking 13 years ago. What's up, motherfuckers? So what is the Shibukawa Hesumatsuri? It's a new festival. It started about 40 years ago. It is based on the fact that Shibukawa is geographically, if you include Hokkaido and Okinawa, the center of Japan. And naturally, the center of Japan, the center of the human body is the belly button, so you gotta have the belly button festival. That's the only reason to it, really. There's nothing ancient ritual regarding the belly button that Shibukawa is known for. It's just a made-up fucking festival for people to have a good time. And people are having a good time. That's it. That's all there is to it.
Oh, 久しぶり。Hey.
Cheers, brother.
Yeah! Yay! Thank you now!
Cheers!
People all over the world. 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 Minus 15 seconds. Ignition sequence start. People all over the world, the heavens have become a part of man's world. All the people on this earth are truly one. They're truly one. They're truly one. They're truly one.
This is not the end, but only the barest beginning.
Alright, so first up I want to say thanks to all of you guys who support me on Patreon. And for a while now, you guys have been really helping out because my salary at the old place hadn't gone up in 5 years while everything else had. And it had really been the thing that kept me from going over the edge on a few months, so thanks a lot. But now especially that I have left my job and I'm building towards a new freelance future, this first few months of just holding shit together while things start to flow in and the invoices start to clear, you've been really helpful. But over and above all the patrons I have on Patreon, I want to give a particularly big thank you to Camille and Klaus. I hope I pronounced your names correctly. Thank you for the little extra you dropped on PayPal. It really is going to keep this month going and solving a lot of problems while I'm putting together my I suppose you could call it business. Yeah, thanks a lot. Fucking A.